Cox Plumbing Services here in Sarasota. I've been a PHCC member for close to 30 years. Some of the benefits I see from being a PHCC member is the camaraderie, the learning that we do when the different businesses get together for dinner meetings, and also getting the CEU credits in person through the PHCC rather than do it online, because the camaraderie and the communication and the back and forth communication about different codes help you to learn better on how to implement those new codes over the years. And so I encourage you to join the PHCC, not only just for your benefit, but for the benefit of the industry as a whole. We need you as a part of our membership.